The one active cases which I would like to clarify here is we received the report today only. The report of yesterday's sample, we received it today in the afternoon, that one patient again got positive report, and in fact health condition of this particular person is stable, she is okay. And the previous one also, which the report is positive, it is due again for retesting next Monday, means on the 11th, because every 3 days we have to again collect the samples. Then next Monday we are going to send again the samples in the morning, and by afternoon or evening we'll be able to get the report. And this newly infected person happens to be from the same source. Please write properly. Happens to be from the same source, meaning from the deceased source, and who happens also to be another maid servant. In fact, I just wanted to tell you, this maid servant, she did a quarantine immediately on the 14th of last month. In fact, that time 15, 16, we, after collecting the samples, then we received the report on the 16th, she was tested negative. Again, we did another test, because the government leave no stone unturned, because these are the primary contact. These are all high risk contact or primary contact. And we have altogether the high risk contact or the primary contact, I should say, we do have 181 numbers. And all 181 numbers has been duly tested, and then today, unfortunately, one of that high risk or closed contact, primary contact, she got tested positive. And the person who got infection was also transferred to Corona Center